Our ferry from Sardinia arrived in Civitavecchia, the port of Rome, about 6 a.m. We disembarked and walked to the train station. From Civitavecchia, we took a train to Rome where we changed to a high-speed train for Naples. And then from Naples, we took a commuter train to Pompeii. The area around the Pompei Archaeological Site reminded me a little bit of Disneyland. We are entering the archaeological site of Pompeii, something I've wanted to visit for a very long time. And we're getting an early start. They open at 9 and we're inside here at 9:08. That's Vesuvius. You can see where the top was blown off. We're at the start of the Rick Steves walking tour. This is coming in from the main gate, walking up to the forum up there. He says that the stepping stones in there were kind of like a crosswalk. When they flooded the streets every night, you would cross on the stepping stones so you didn't get your feet wet. And the white in the road there were pieces of marble that would reflect light for better being able to see where you're going a little bit more at nighttime. Oh, and that the chariot wheels all had the same wheelbase, so they could go between the stepping stones. That's Mount Vesuvius up there. The writing in the mosaic at the entrance of this house says, "Beware of the dog." The holes in the counters of these shops were to hold food dishes. Rick Steves called them fast food joints. The statues we saw outside at Pompeii were all reproductions. All these columns were being rebuilt when the volcano erupted because they'd had an earthquake something like 17 years earlier.